y'alls, I have already moisturized my face with my vitamin E oil. I'm gonna go ahead, go in with, ooh, about too many drops. Ooh, way too many drops, but it's better to be overhydrated than under. I've already done my eyebrows. I should have a like Insta video on my eyebrows because I decided to do it that way instead of doing a full-blown video on my updated eyebrow routine. So be sure you guys check that out. So today's video, I'm going for a date night, just something subtle look. I really wanted to try out the Huda Beauty Obsessions mini palette. So I really like all the colors that's in here. So we're definitely going to be trying that out. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to take this flesh tone color and use that as a transition. And I'm going to go ahead and take that orange. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my finger and take this really pretty gold and put that on my lid. This color is really, really pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and take this brush and spray it a little bit. Pick up a little bit more of that color. Then I'm just going to take the brush, pick up some of that orange, and just blend that in. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick up this white right here and put that under my brow bone. So I went ahead and I finished my other eye off camera because my camera died. I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Precise Eye Studio. Today I'll be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. I'm in the color Hazelnut, and they claim that this foundation is a flawless medium to full coverage, lasts all day, creamy blendable texture for luxurious comfort, stay true mineral pigment, it's oil free, hypoallergenic. Put that to the test. I have tried this out one other time and I absolutely loved it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my face. This is such a nice foundation to wear for like date nights because it's something very, very light, but it gives you like the full coverage that people like me like. So definitely top like 5 of my favorite foundations that I've tried so far. Very, very liquidy, so it's easy to blend out. And I like it because it doesn't like dry super, super fast. So like you can take your time blending it out. Let me go ahead and put some Carmex on my lip because I feel kind of dry. It just gives you like that nice like flawless look without like it's not like the thing I like about this foundation, it's very, very lightweight, so it's not very heavy. So I really like that. It doesn't look like you have on a lot of foundation. Then next I'm going to go ahead and take my concealers in Deep Tan and Deep Golden for my under eyes. You guys already know this routine. I've been using the My Real Techniques to blend out my concealer. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and just like blend in my foundation and my concealer like around it. I'm going to go ahead and take the other side of my beauty blender and tap off the excess. I love this beauty blender because of like the flat side. It kind of just sits perfectly under your under eye. While I let this sit, I'm going to go ahead and take my Benefit Background Mascara. I love the heck out of this mascara. Like, at first it's a little bit clumpy, but the thing I like about it is it like separates your lashes like without, you know, it being too much, and it gives it such good volume. Definitely the type of mascara that you can just go with just mascara and no falsies, but who are we kidding? Like, I don't think I can go anywhere without falsies. The Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and I like these lashes because they're just like so perfect for date night or during the day because they're just like, they're not dramatic, they're not too much, you know, they give you enough length without being way too much. So then I had to take this brush and take whatever's left on the back and just brush that. So I went ahead and I applied my lashes off camera. And now to do my bottom lashes, I'm just got my bottom waterline. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a small brush, if I can ever find one. I take that orange color and just kind of buff that out at the bottom. So now for our contour, I'm using my Black Radiance. That honestly has not changed. And I don't know what it is, but I'm just like so comfortable with this color and, you know, this palette and the way it just comes out on my skin. So, I don't know. One of these days I'll go out and try something else. But for now, I think we're just going to stick to this. And then I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. collab with Heart. And I'm the Coffee and Cream. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this light color right here for my tear ducts. I'm going to be using my trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I kind of just take the brush and swirl it around all three of them. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray that with my Dewy Mist from Pixie. For my highlighter, we're going to be taking the Strawberry Genius from NYX. I haven't used this palette in such a long time. And I'm going to take my Sigma brush and I think we're going to do the middle color. Because this is a date night and you don't really want to go over the top with highlighter. Just want to use a little subtleness. And I think this palette is so perfect for that. And it's affordable, so, you know, can't beat that. It's going to blip a little bit. And then I just like to take my beauty blender for my forehead and just take some of that off. Just to make sure that everything is blended out and it gives you, like, the flawless, you know, highlighter without it being a little bit too shiny. So, and that's it for my face. Now for the hardest part, my lips. I honestly have tried so many lip colors to try to figure out like my perfect nude, but I don't know what it is. I just can't figure out a nude that works for me that I like. So we're gonna go and stick to, you know, my brown which is one of my favorites. But if you guys know of any nudes that would be perfect for me, then go ahead and leave it down in the comment section and I'll definitely be trying it out. So the first thing we're going to take out is our MAC lip liner in Chestnut. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Rust. And then to top that off, we're going to take the Kylie lipstick or liquid lipstick in True Brown. And that's it for my look. If you guys want to see part 2 of how I do my hair, then go ahead and stay tuned. And that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed this simple get ready gold bronze look for date night, then go ahead and be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time.